Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. I'm so happy to welcome you on my channel. Yes, as I've already told you, right, it's day 1. So we are going to take this challenge for next 1 year. Of course, it's a 1 year challenge. Why am I taking this challenge? Yes, because I have only 1 year more on my hands. I have to improve my English a lot. So, I would like to practice my English. If I want to practice my English, so most of the time what am I doing? I'm just creating content for my channel. I'm giving some tips and tricks, right? So, it will be useful for you. I found out that you people like my videos also. Many people are asking me to post videos regularly. So, this is the first time. What am I going to do? If I take sit and talk videos, it will be very hard for me to manage. If I take like these kind of videos like vlogging, if I walk and talk, I literally enjoy the process of making this video. At the same time, I literally feel very happy to speak in front of the camera from my bottom of my heart. So hereafter I am going to take these kind of videos. Just do let me know if you like these kind of videos. Just let me know. Daily you'll get videos. Of course daily you get videos because it's a piece of cake for me. It's very easy for me to take a camera and set the phone in the tripod and start speaking. Actually today we are practicing English. First in this video I am going to talk about speaking practice. What am I going to share with you today? In case if you would like to learn English, first for most important, you need to speak. You have to start speaking English. See, for speaking, we don't have partners. Right now, I don't have partners. You can see nobody is with me. But how am I learning English? How am I practicing? So most of the time what we people do, we like to watch videos because that is very easy for us. So we watch videos in English. We watch some content in English. So we thought that we are practicing English. We are indulging ourselves in English because we listen a lot. But apart from that, what should you do? Which is you must speak. You must practice speaking. Unless and until you start speaking English, how can you see the improvement? See, you are willing, your ultimate goal is to become fluent in English. For that, the day 1 itself, you have to start speaking. How? What am I doing right now? I just take my camera, which means mobile phone, and I switch on the camera and I just start speaking from my bottom of my heart. I didn't have any topic right now. I don't have any topic on my mind. This is day 1 video, right? So that's why I'm just speaking randomly and I'm just walking here and there and I'm just speaking to you. Just from my bottom of my heart. This is how you need to do. This is your first day task. Just pick up your mobile phone after my video ends. Just start speaking something from your heart. You can also motivate yourself. In case if you want to share something with me or with others, if you want to create content also, just take videos. Just speak on it. Turn on your video and speak on the topic, any topic. See, that is your first step you need to do. It's going to build your confidence. Of course, definitely it's going to build your confidence. So that's why I recommend you. When I started my English journey, that time itself I started to practice my speaking in front of camera because of creating content. That's how I started. And it shifted my English fluency. It just changed my English fluency in a drastic way. So that's why I'm just recommending you the same technique. Just you can also do it. You can also pick up your mobile phone and start speaking and just follow this 2 method. One is record. The first method is you have to record your video. So you have to just record and speak something from your bottom of your heart. And tip number 2, which is very important, which is nothing but review. What does mean by review? You need to review your video a lot. So how you are speaking, how you are expressing your thoughts and how your body language, how your facial expression, how much the confidence you are feeling inside of your heart, you need to work on it. You need to check out it. So this is the first day 1 task. Every student, everybody must start doing it. Just start speaking, record your video and review it. So this is how I'm going to end this video. Actually, I didn't have any plan to shoot these kind of videos. This is my first try. I just speak from my bottom of my heart. So you can consider this as a day 1 video. It's like a practicing video. I'm just practicing my English all by alone without anyone. See, today I just speak in a raw and I'm going to post it tomorrow. Okay, this is how you need to start. So start now. It's not too late. Start. Starting is very hard. If you start to do it, definitely you are going to enjoy the process of learning English. You are going to enjoy the process of improvement also. Once you see the improvement, you feel very happy. So you can do it each and every day. We are going to learn something new and we are going to practice our English for next 1 year. If you are ready, take this challenge. And one more thing, if you like these kind of videos, please let me know. Then only I am going to proceed it. In case if it is not interesting, that much enchanting for you, I have to change my video mode also. But I like this kind of videos to shoot these kind of vlogs and practice my English. It's the part of natural thing. This is how I'm practicing. In case if it is come to content creation, I prepared some content bottom of my heart in front of a camera. But now I'm just speaking from my heart. It's a natural thing. I didn't prepare any content. It's the natural raw talk videos. So I hope you like this video and you can also see the surroundings, the nature. So this is how you need to learn English. This is how you start enjoying the process of learning English. So I'll come up with another video and another practicing video, especially day 2 video. Till then you take care, start working on your English, start speaking. That is your day 1 task. As I already told you, I am going to guide you. I am going to with you. So the first day 1 task is you all people want to start recording your video and start reviewing it. When it comes to initial part, it would be very hard, but trust me, once a day is passed, after a month, after 2 months, you can see visible result, which means you can see the drastic improvement in the way you speak. So thank you so much. I literally enjoy and making this process of video, and I'll come up with another interesting video very soon. Till then you take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.